Welcome to Coursera, career accelerating degrees online from the world's best universities.
Getting my degree from the University of Illinois is something I'm very proud of. I mean, life just marches on, and if you don't kind of take the steps and move forward the way you want to move forward, you're just never going to do it. I've landed in a position that is exactly where I want to be. I'm so excited about my career.
Try degree courses even before applying. Once admitted to a program, courses count toward your degree learning.
It allows you to get a high-quality degree at a rate that you can afford. Coursera is a game changer just for leveling the playing field. I had access to the same professors and resources that students on campus had access to.
Coursera is the path to flexible, affordable degrees 100% online.
I wanted my kids to know that you don't ever stop. Earning my MBA gives me confidence. I am absolutely thrilled that I did it.
Join Coursera for free at Coursera.org and try a degree course today. Coursera, your course to success.